Who needs a nap? Pictures.
Oh, I get a camera too.
I get to spend the day with these cuties. Look how adorable you look today. Should we do something fun?
Yeah.
Should we do something fun while Steven, Taylor, and Payton are gone?
And Daddy.
And Daddy, what should we do?
Go on a walk.
What do you think? A walk is a good idea. What do you think, Parker? What should we do?
Get the change.
What did she say? I didn't hear her.
She said get snow cones.
Oh, did you say get snow cones? Huh. Me and the girls are playing before lunch, and Jordyn, I guess, is my pet pig. Parker's the farmer because she's wearing the cutest overalls I've ever seen in my life. And her job is to steal the pig from me. Are you a pig snatcher? Do you snatch piglets? These overalls are just the cutest thing I've ever seen. I think this is the first time that she's worn overalls, and I just cannot handle the cuteness. I want to squeeze and kiss and snuggle all day long because she's just so cute. In those overalls! Parker? Parker, what do you want? Oh. You want what? You want the birdie? I know she's sad, but she says birdie's so cute. What is this, Parker? What is it? So Parker really likes that little bird toy that Jordyn is playing with. And Jordyn really doesn't want to share it right now because she's playing with it. And I remembered that in my craft stuff, I had a little cute little bird that I'm gonna let Parker have so that she doesn't feel left out and that she can have her own birdie. So we're gonna show it to her. Do you think she's gonna love it? Okay, go get her. The birdie. Parker, guess what Mommy has for you? Do you want your own birdie? Do you want your very own birdie? That's a pretty birdie, Parker. I was taping something up and I had a little bit of extra tape, so Jordyn wanted to play with it. Where's the tape at?
Just my goggles.
Those are your goggles?
Yeah. Something's wrong with my goggles. Stupid goggles, aren't you?
That poor bird.
It's goggle time.
With the overalls and her little birdie and her saying the word birdie, it is just a cuteness overload. I can't handle the cuteness that is going on right now.
My bird's name is Shane. Wow.
All right, who needs a nap? Do you need a nap? Okay. Who needs a nap?
Me. You and I.
Let's go night-night.
Who's
Yes, that's what you said. We said night-night.
You said me.
Let's go night-night. Are you okay? Why'd you do that? Let's take your, owies. Are you okay? Let's take your birdie and go night-night. I have been trying to clean out the garage a little bit, and Jordyn disappeared on me. She went inside the house and she came out with this. She said she was making her own little beautiful hairstyle, and I think it looks gorgeous. How is my reading maniac doing? You're a maniac. You're a reading champ. Look at you go. Doing so great. I absolutely love this little program that the kids do. It's called Raz Kids, and they're able to go onto the computer and they read appropriate leveled books for their reading level, and they get to listen to the book, read the book on their own. They can click on the words that they don't know and it will tell them the words, and then they get to answer questions after to make sure that they are comprehending what they're reading, and then they get points for it. And she can just sit here and just work on her own, and she has read how many books so far?
4. Now I'm gonna do 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Holy moly, that's a lot of books. Look at you go. I hear somebody talking in her room. Looks like bedtime is over. Are you done with your nap? Are you done? Let's go. Let's get up.
I'm going to try to ride my bike without training wheels.
All right, do you think she can do it? Okay.
Okay, so here's what I want you to remember. You pedal as fast as you can, no matter what. The harder you pedal, the easier it is to stay on your bike.
Let's go.
Payton, you did so good! She did so good. She did it for a little bit on her own. How was that? Was it fun? Yeah.
I did it.
Payton's been wanting to learn to ride her bicycle for quite a while now. So we'll probably have to do a few more days worth of practicing, but she's doing a really good job and she's being super brave.
I'm a bike riding maniac.
Parker's out here eating her dinner because she didn't eat it inside the house. Yeah, so she's eating her dinner while we're doing some bike riding. All right, you eat your dinner, silly girl.
Where? You're like a whole.
So Payton did so good at riding her bike. I think that she's gonna get it this next few days. What do you guys think?
Yeah.
I think she's gonna be riding her bike like a champ pretty soon.
Probably not as good as me though.
So we're gonna go on a quick drive just around the neighborhood because going for drives are fun, especially at night. So we're gonna go for a little night drive before bedtime.
Let's go for a drive.
We just drove as far west as you pretty much can go where we are from, and we're out in the boondocks. Who's having fun?
Me.
Staring at gigantic weeds and trees and stuff.
Abby Lightfoot likes cookie and cream, ice cream. We're gonna go to bed so we can end our vlog. Thanks for watching.
Give us a thumbs up.
Our question for the day is, how many were you when you rode your bike without any training wheels?
Thank you guys for being awesome, and we will see you guys tomorrow.
Bye. Bye. Be awesome, kids.